Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of SeaChange International Inc, and for which the ticker symbol is SEAC, and the stock has performed quite well across all the formats, and the recent change of the last 1 week's change is more than 120%. So this is a very big change that we have seen in the recent past, and there is a huge spike in the volatility where the monthly volatility is 17.75 compared to the recent week's volatility, which has increased towards 47.69. So this is a huge move as far as the volatility is concerned. Fun fact is target price is only $3. Now apart from that, you will see some numbers are positive, some numbers are negative as far as the fundamentals are concerned, but market has their own way. So this is a very small cap company, so you can expect volatility as far as the stock price is concerned, where the valuation is not very high because the price to book is hardly 1.76, and what is good is at least the sales and EPS Q&Q compared to the Q&Q of last year. So as I told you, there is something which is good and there is something which is not looking good right now. So let's see what's interesting apart from this is happening as far as the trend is concerned. Now these are all the ratings we have here, and this we can't implement because the last we have here was as of December 5th 2019, and it was an upgrade by Lake Street, but we can't consider all this rating because these are all old ratings. Let's see if we have any insider trading or movement we can see. So the latest we have, or the recent we have, is here we are. There are two buys, first on April 19th and then we have June 21st. So there are two buys by executive chairman and 100,000 shares, as you can see. Apart from that, if we search some recent news we have, so I think it is 1 or 2 days old. This is the most recent. We are not worried about the SeaChange International's cash burn rate, right? Even when a business is losing money, it's possible for shareholders to make money if they buy a good business at a right price. For example, although software as a service business Salesforce.com lost money for years while it grew recurring revenue, if you hold shares since 2005, you have done well or very well indeed. But the harsh reality is that very many loss-making companies burn through all their cash and then go bankrupt. So this is an example. So SeaChange shareholders be worried about the cash burn rate. In this article, we define cash burn as its annual negative free cash flow, which is the amount of money a company spends each year to fund its growth. First, so these are all what is cash burn and how does it impact. So if you want to check it out, you can check it out, this press release, good for educational purpose, but right now if I want to go through all of this may not suit much. So the headline is there are some people who are not worried about this. Let's quickly go to the chart and let's see what's happening over here. So this is the chart of SeaChange International. This is the monthly chart, and primarily there is a big or sharp move that has happened over here. So if you are looking at this particular chart, so there are two very important levels we have. Primarily the stock has started moving above 1.17, which now becomes your immediate support, and your final support will be 0.7 on the downside. So this is what we have as far as the trend is concerned. Now there is another way to look at this chart, so it will simplify lots of things. If I draw a line like this, okay, if I draw a line like this, you can see a trend 1, 2 and 3. On the upside you will have something like this. So now you can see there is a range in between which the stock is trading. So if the stock continues to sustain above 1.17, the next target or the range we have here on the upside is in between 5 and 6.2. So this is what we have here, and only if the stock moves beyond 6.27 or let's say 6.5 or above, then we will have a very big target of $15 on the upside. But right now, this is the range, this highlighted section, and the lower end of the range is 70 cents, upper end of the range is in between 5 and $6.2. That's it. Don't go below that. Beyond that, I have already mentioned, but this is long-term target. We have to see how the stock is moving and where are the levels or what are the levels that it's going to test in its upcoming course of action. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.